Hi guys, I'm Dr Teo Wan Lin, a board-certified dermatologist. I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to care for your baby's skin. First of all, you should always bear in mind that because their skin is thinner and more delicate, you should minimize any activities that increase friction or rubbing against the skin. For example, using loofahs or sponges on baby skin is a definite no-no. In fact, we recommend just using a small amount of a gentle soap, preferably one that is based on amino acid surfactants or one with natural emulsifiers. For example, natural emulsifiers can be found in medical-grade honey and soy formulas. This also applies to when you are trying to wipe off soiled areas or clean up spillage off your baby's skin. Using harsh wipes or using excessive force will make the skin drier and potentially cause irritation. It is important to focus on the material that is in contact with your baby's skin. For this reason, I find that materials such as microfibre, if it's correctly processed and also tested for safety on baby's skin, is one of the best fibers to use because it is highly absorbent. It picks up stains and spills without you using excessive force or using soap, for example. Preferably one that is easy to care for, to wash in the laundry. That is ideal. Given that one of the commonest areas where you may find yourself wiping your child is around the mouth area, for example, because of saliva or for example, when they are done with their meal,